Guys, Amazon shut down one of my most profitable products because of this crazy pandemic that's spreading across the nation. Let me tell you why in just a second.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So welcome everybody back into my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 10K subscribers by the end of this year. No doubt we can make it if you guys pack on to the Amazon FBA experience, which I'm trying to bring you guys since day one, covering my story. Now let me let you know the craziest update that kind of just happened to me overnight, and I was like, what the heck happened? I woke up and actually looked at my Amazon inventory and saw my listing said inactive, blocked, and it had this yellow cross sign right next to it, and I can show you what that looks like here. But then I went and checked my email from Amazon, and they pretty much said, your product has been blocked due to inflated prices on critical safety products. We expect sellers to treat customers fairly and not take advantage of events like the global health crisis arising from the COVID-19 virus. And I'm like, what the heck? It says my product is currently blocked and I have to go lower the price of my product. Now, after I got on the phone with Amazon seller support, which I just do right through the Amazon seller app and get a hold of a real person in like 2 seconds, I was like, what the heck's going on? And they said it's just because I had the keyword mask in my listing, guys, and they thought I was selling some kind of medical grade mask or something like this to help prevent like people breathing and whatnot and spreading the bacteria or the virus. So my friend got this Google alert from Amazon this morning and he sent it to me because I posted an Instagram story on my feed, and if you guys aren't already following that, please go follow it. It's linked right down, and the first link in the description is my Instagram. You guys can follow me, send me DMs there. I get back to you guys way fast there. But pretty much it was like the pandemic price gouging. Face mask prices increased 166% on Amazon, reports find. And I was like, what the heck, dude? Like, this is what caused my product listing to get shut down. So Amazon mistakenly thought that one of the pieces in my kit was an actual mask to prevent disease. And I'm like, no, it's not. And then they took a closer look, and once a real human actually got to look at it, which was not just the algorithm going through and looking for keywords that normally is what's gonna restrict listings. Like the algorithm will go through if you have trademark terms or anything like that, boom, you're flagged and then you're gone. So you wanna be really careful about the keywords you use in your listings. But if you're not breaking any real rules like I wasn't, you shouldn't have a problem when you get on the phone with seller support to get your product back. So I'm gonna have my dad come over here. He wants to tell us some stuff about his brand new product, so check this out. So I caught up with my dad and I wanted to share with you guys what he's planning on for his next product. So Dad, tell us what you've been working on all day, man.
Yeah, it takes a lot of work. I'm going to start my own private label. So I'm getting into another product that I can sell on Amazon and through my clinic that will be my own brand, my own label of essential oils. So
Yeah.
I'm getting into essential oils. I work in a clinic where I have massage therapists, and they use oils that I've been buying for the last 35 years. I'm actually going to create my own and sell it online and through the clinic. So it's really exciting. It's not that hard to do, but you know, you got to get labels produced, you got to get your product, you got to know how much you want to order.
And you're not ordering from China, are you?
No, I'm ordering, well, I'm having the stuff made here in the USA. And right now my current manufacturer had been shut down for other products I was ordering, and they just can't produce them. So right now my sales are kind of down, except for what I still have in the Amazon warehouses, but my sales have gone down because of this stopped production from the.
Yeah, it's kind of weird that his supplier didn't get back in on time. Like my suppliers, they're all back. Most of them have said, we're back, we're going. So what's the holdup, man?
Well, I bet you there's certain areas of the country that just the government said, no, you can't go back to your work. You're confined in these, small areas, but you got a lot of workers in those small areas, so they just didn't want any more people to be exposed.
Yeah.
In some areas, some provinces.
Yeah, anyways, guys, I'm going to bring a full video with my dad and kind of breaking down what he's doing with this product, because he's going the high ticket route. All these people selling essential oils, which is a competitive product, have it selling for like $9.99, $10.99. It's watered down garbage, right, Dad? Compared to yours, compared to
Well, yeah,
you're getting...
my product is pure essential oil, and I know it is pure. I've communicated with the manufacturer here in the United States. I know where they get their products. I know how they make it, cold pressed and steam distilled. But I've looked at a lot of the reviews online through Amazon, and I noticed when there is a 1-star review, I'd take a look at that and why these people were discouraged from that product, why they were upset.
Yeah.
And most of it is because either the vials that they came in were half empty or completely empty. They weren't packaged properly, first of all. And some of them said it was like cat urine. It was rancid. It was poorly made.
Yeah.
So no wonder they can sell it for $10 for 18 vials.
Yeah.
You know, amazing to me.
I mean, anything you're gonna go put on your skin or anything liquid like this, I'd source it in the US. That's why I stick to my paper type products and things like that. I'll get those in China. But again, we're gonna get a full vid with Dad coming soon, guys. Please drop a thumbs up. Dad, go kill him in bowling. Where are you going right now, man? You going bowling, man?
Well, I'm the president of our bowling league, and I got to get there. And we're going to bowl 300 tonight.
All right. Well, we'll see you later, Pops.
All right. Bye-bye.
All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thanks so much again. Please smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next video, where I'm going to be actually up on the 77th floor of the tallest building in Seattle.
Start building that stream of revenue now, and you know, you'll look up and you'll be in places that you never thought you'll be at.
You don't want to miss this video. We're going to have a ton of awesome content on the way. Plus, I'm investing a ton more in stocks. Dad's backing out the Beamer, baby. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.